don't know, but he's hilarious. Here, hold the camera.
That's a perfect view of it, what I can say.
This silly with chocolate stuff. Easiest way to kill somebody.
You need to do it at the head, maybe. Do it closer and then you get a better view.
My chainsaw's about to run out.
How does it run out?
You should see over there.
Oh.
This guy's taking a lot of damage. Chainsaw's about to run out right now, and that's up. Wow, this guy takes a lot of damage. I didn't want to waste my gun. I guess I'm gonna have to.
You have 24 left.
Oh, he's dead.
There's another guy.
He walked into the fire.
Yeah, that's gonna work. Use the axe. It won't cost anything.
Alright, stop recording.
How do you stop? Oh.